纽约著名地标时报广场22号开始飘起阵阵大雪，美国东北部再度面临强劲冬季风暴威胁。
In total, the storm is projected to drop between 18 and 24 inches across New York City, coming up to 28 inches in certain areas.
纽约市睽违9年首度发布暴风雪预警，地方政府严阵以待。市长曼达尼警告，这波冬季风暴杀伤力可能远超想象。
Due to these factors, we are declaring a state of emergency and instituting a travel ban starting at 9 p.m. this evening and ending at 12 p.m. tomorrow.
其实这次受灾区域广大，从维吉尼亚州到麻萨诸塞州，包含波士顿及纽瓦克等大城在内，多达3000多万人面临冬季风暴威胁，当地交通更是一团乱。
Coupled with the blowing and drifting snow, we can lose a road really quickly in these conditions. One vehicle stuck on a hill or a highway ramp can have cascading consequences.
航班追踪网站 FlightAware 统计，全美已经取消超过1000架次航班，纽约地铁也出现严重延误，多个州陆续宣布进入紧急状态。
Across New Jersey, we expect between 10 to 20 inches of snow. The heaviest snow right now is expected along the coast.
除了交通瘫痪，专家警告积雪可能压垮电线，造成大范围停电。随着冬季风暴逼近，美东各地政府绷紧神经，尽可能将灾情降至最低。三立新闻随便报道。